A park is 40 meters by 25. Carpeting the grass wants one number. Fencing the boundary wants another. Which number do you reach for first? Area is how much surface the shape covers: paint, grass, carpet. Perimeter is how far you walk once around the outside fence, rim, track. For a rectangle, area is length times breadth. Two edges meeting at a corner multiplied. That product is the covered ground in square units. Walking the boundary, you pass both length and breadth twice, once on each opposite side. So perimeter is 2 times length plus breadth. A triangle is half a rectangle that shares the same base and the same upright height. So its area is 1/2 times base times height. A circle needs one length from the center to the rim, the radius. Area is pi times that radius squared, and the walk around is 2 pi times the radius. A rectangular park is 40 meters long and 25 meters wide. Find its area, and the cost of fencing it at 12 rupees per meter. Start with the cover area. 40 times 25 is 1,000, so the park covers 1,000 square meters. Same park, now the fence length. Perimeter is 2 times 40 plus 25. 40 plus 25 is 65, and twice that is 130 meters. That is the fence. Turn the fence length into rupees and name the trap. Cost is 130 times 12, which is 1,560 rupees. The trap is multiplying the area by 12. That uses the carpet number for a fence job. Area 1,000 square meters. Fencing cost 1,560 rupees. The trap, area times rate 1,000 times 12, is the distractor every fencing item plants next to the real answer. Before any formula, read the verb fence. Edge, lap means perimeter. Floor, paint a face, shaded region means area. The shape is easy, the quantity is where marks go. Rectangle area is length times breadth. Perimeter is twice their sum. Triangle area is half base times height. Circle area is pi r squared. Next video builds the solid box, volume and surface. Drill the park fencing set in the ExamMaster app before you watch it.